Hi, I'm John Walsh, host of America's Most Wanted and a friend of the Surviving Parents Coalition. On August 20th, SPC will kick off their national campaign, Ride for Their Lives. Ed Smart and Ahmad Rivazfar will be biking across America to raise awareness about child predatory crimes. Their goal is to educate America about the Adam Walsh Child Protection and Safety Act, which creates a uniform system of state registration programs. The Adam Walsh Child Protection and Safety Act, which includes SORNA, the Sex Offender Registration and Notification Act, helps protect our children from sexual repeat offenders. The Adam Walsh Child Protection and Safety Act is a federal statute that was signed into law by U.S. President George W. Bush on July 27, 2006. To date, there are 3 states and 2 tribes that are in compliance with SORNA: Delaware, Florida, Ohio, and the Umatilla and Yakima tribes. 38 states and territories have requested and received extensions for the compliance deadline, which is July 27, 2011. The SMART office of the Department of Justice is actively working with the states, territories, and tribes to help them come into compliance. With over 500,000, that's 500,000 convicted sex offenders roaming our streets, and with more than 100,000 of them unaccounted for, we need an effective national registry and management system to protect our women and children from these predators. So I truly hope that all states, territories, and tribes will be compliant by the new deadline. The number of sex offenders who are unaccounted for is unacceptable. We must work harder to protect innocent people from these predators. You may ask, why should states come into compliance? Well, here's why. The Adam Walsh Act creates consistent standards for all states. It eliminates loopholes and gaps in previous legislation. It holds offenders accountable based on their offenses. Registration requirements are based on convictions for specified offenses. SORNA does not require registration for criminal convictions for consensual sex between juveniles of certain ages. It provides the public with locations of employment, residence, and/or schools that potentially dangerous sex offenders are attending. Federal funding is available in the stimulus package. Significant increases were allocated to the JAG Burn Grant and COPS program, which can be used to implement SORNA. The Sex Offender Sentencing, Monitoring, Apprehending, Registering, and Tracking Office, SMART, created a secure communication system for all sex offender registry systems. These systems were given to all jurisdictions. These are just some of the reasons that all states, territories, and tribes should come into compliance. The time is right now. Thank you for all of your support, and God bless you.